Video day, guys. Today's video is going to be a first impressions. We're going to be trying out a bunch of new makeup. I have a few products here that I picked up from Sephora, and I also jumped on the Kylie Cosmetics site and I picked up a Kylie Cosmetics items, and I'm so excited to try them out. So if you guys are new here, my name is Christina Brooke and this is the GLAMRANCH. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of the GLAMRANCH family, and hit the notification bell so that YouTube tells you that my videos are posting. We're going to be trying out an item from Kylie Cosmetics. We're going to be trying out one of her lip kits, and there is a giveaway in this video, so don't forget to keep on watching this video because there is a Kylie Cosmetics giveaway in this video. Also, we're going to be trying out the Natasha Denona Super Glow Highlighter, and we're going to be trying out the Dior Undercover Foundation. So we have a bunch of things to put on my face. So let's just go ahead and let's get started right now. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on the first item that I have here to try on today, and this is actually a sample that I just got, that I got from Dior when I ordered some of the Dior products. And actually it was the Dior Backstage Foundation. When I ordered that, I got this, and this is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover Foundation. So this is a little mini sample of it, and I've been dying to try this product. I do own the Dior Skin Forever, and I also own the Dior Backstage Foundation, and I heard really oops, I dropped it. I heard really good things about this Dior Skin Undercover. People were saying it's like really high coverage and that they like it, and I'm interested. So this is a teeny tiny sample of this foundation, but let's go ahead and try it out. I don't even know if the color is going to match me. Hopefully it matches somewhat. The color that they sent me was 010. Ay, so much on my hand. So let's go ahead and hopefully, that looks like it's going to match. Okay. Let's try it. I'm going to try it with a brush. It has that same Dior smell that they all have. They have like a very perfumey smell, but shockingly enough, it doesn't bother me. It's not like an annoying perfumey smell. You know what I mean? It's a little bit light. I can already tell like it's going to be a little bit of a light color for me, but that's okay. That's just a color match. Just going to put some more. Let's see. I really love the way it's blending so far. It's very smooth. And actually, believe it or not, for being a full coverage foundation like it says, I feel like it feels really lightweight when you're putting it on. Actually, it's like not a thick formula at all. Okay, so that is one layer of the foundation completely smoothed over. And I will say I have a few little acne spots that actually came out on me just recently, and I feel like they have been covered pretty damn good, I have to say. So I'm just going to put a little bit more in the areas that I like to cover more. So I'm going to add a little bit more to just the cheek area, and that's usually where I like to add coverage. More coverage is right around here. Now I will tell you, like, just looking at it off the bat, it doesn't look like it's extreme full coverage, but I do think it has a nice coverage. Like, it's a medium buildable. That's what I would call it. So there we go. I look super white because this color is a little bit white for me, even though it kind of looks like it matches. If you actually look at my neck, it's a little on the white side, but the foundation looks pretty. Let me zoom you in. So here you are, a little zoomed in. You guys can see it looks actually pretty good. The skin looks very smooth. You can see a little bit peeking through, but nothing like major. This is definitely a full medium, and it definitely, I think this could be built up to total full coverage. This doesn't look cakey at all. I like this. I love the way it looks. I think it has a beautiful finish. Actually, you know what? To be honest, I have a feeling that this one actually might look a little bit better than my Dior Skin Forever, because I feel like the Dior Skin Forever is a thicker formula. Maybe it's a little bit more full coverage, but this one is a little bit less full coverage. And I feel like it looks a little bit more natural on the skin. So I actually really like this. I really like this a lot. So let me go ahead and bronze up my face, and we'll move on to the next my face. I put a little extra bronzer on, hopefully get me a little bit of color, but since I'm already pretty white with this foundation, I don't know how much bronze I was able to do, but I tried. So the next product that I'm going to show you guys that I'm going to be trying, I'm so excited. This is the Natasha Denona Super Glow Highlighter. Yay! I'm so excited for this product. I actually already kind of sweeped this on my face a little bit, but I didn't get to do like a whole try because I did get the color Fair. So I was kind of scared that Fair might have been a little too icy, but I actually do like the way it looked when I put it on quickly. So let's just go like this and show you guys. Look at that. Look at that glow. Oh my gosh. And you know what I love that I noticed when I first put this on is it gives you like a wet sheen. Like, this is not sparkly at all. It's like a wet glow. So pretty. And I love to put the highlighter here on my forehead. And I also like to put it in the bridge of my nose a little bit because it kind of gives you that kind of like glowiness. And I love to look glowy. You guys, this is an incredible highlighter. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that glowiness. So pretty. Like this is the epitome of a glowing face look. Hello, beautifulness. I love this. I love this so much. I'm so excited. I'm gonna definitely be wearing this more often to kind of like do wear tests and stuff to make sure it lasts on the skin. But oh my god, I can just soak myself in this. This is beautiful. Okay, so the last product I'm gonna be trying on my face I actually bought from Kylie. So I was really excited to actually pick something up from Kylie Cosmetics, and during one of their sales I said, you know what, I'm buying myself a lip kit. I also got a few things for giveaways, and there will be a giveaway in this video, so keep on watching. And I purchased a lip kit. Why? Because everybody talks about these lip kits, and I was like, you know what, it is time. Kylie's gonna be at Ulta for the holidays. I need to give this lip kit a shot because I know a lot of you guys are gonna be wanting to buy Kylie Cosmetics now that she's gonna be in Ulta. So I picked up her most famous one, which is called Candy K. And I want to try this out. I have not tried this out before. I've never tried a Kylie lip kit before. In the lip kits, it comes with a lip liner, and it also comes with a lipstick, which this is a matte. Is this matte? What is this? Matte liquid lipstick. I've never tried a Kylie Cosmetics item. I actually have her sister's products on my eyes today. I'm wearing the KKW Beauty concealer and the KKW Beauty Mario eyeshadow palette today, but we're gonna be trying out Kylie lip kits. So let's zoom in and try this on. So first things first, let's try out the lip liner. Very cute packaging. Kylie Cosmetics has amazing packaging. I've always thought it was beautiful. The only thing is, I guess the shipping was the reason I never really bought like stuff from them, just because you'd have to ship it and you have to pay extra for shipping. Because of their sale, I really wanted to try it. So let's try this on. Okay. That's a nice lip liner. Wow, okay, so this is like a super jelly lip liner, but it was very easy to apply. And I applied it all over my lips because that's what I see that they always do with Kylie Cosmetics. So I said, let me just do it like what they usually do. And actually, this applied super easy, extremely easy. I actually really like the formula of that lip liner, so it's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna try out this one here. This one here is called Candy K, and this is their matte liquid lipstick, and it goes with the liner. So let's go ahead and see how this performs on the lips. I'm actually pretty excited to try on this product. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, that's opaque. Hey, I like that. That went on super smooth. It is not, like, it is extremely opaque. The color is absolutely stunning. Let's see how it looks once it dries down, because since it is matte, it could look too matte, but so far, this looks like it's a pretty damn good formula. If you guys are thinking of maybe picking up some of these for holiday gifts or even for yourself now that she's gonna be at Ulta, I like it. All right, guys, so this is the final look, and I'm really actually very impressed with some of the products that I tried on today. And yeah, this was a great first impression. Wow, I'm actually really excited. The first thing, let me just jump into quickly to just let you guys know, this Kylie Cosmetics lip kit seems like it's pretty damn good. It is completely dry on my lips, and I think that it looks pretty damn good. I've heard people say that her matte liquid lipsticks are like extremely drying, and I am one of those people that very drying lipsticks bother me. So because this color is so matte, you do see the lines in your lips more pronounced than, let's say, if it was like a satin or something like that. I can tell you that if you were somebody who has very chapped lips, or if your lips kind of have like a lot of lines in them, the matte formula is gonna pronunciate all of those imperfections. So just be aware of that. Now, for me personally, I actually think it looks really pretty. I actually really like it. People have said that they're very drying. I don't know that yet. I'll let you guys know after I've worn this full days and let you guys know how my lips feel the next day. but I like the way it looks, and I love this color. This candy cane color is like the perfect like nudish pink for me. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love this color so much. I could see this going with so many different looks. I'm actually pretty excited because I've heard people talk about it and I just never tried it, and I'm actually happy that I did. So I will tell you guys that I decided to pick up a few items for a giveaway for Kylie Cosmetics. Some of the items I am going to be keeping for maybe a December giveaway, maybe past 2,000 subscribers. In this video, I did want to give away one item from the Kylie line. Item that I'm going to be giving away is this Kylie loose powder highlight. It looks just like this, and it's a loose powder highlight from Kylie, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like. It's called Lightning Bolt. It looks just like this. It's so cute. Look what it says. It says Kylie in the front, and it's all black, and in the inside is the color, which is called light. So if you guys want to enter in the giveaway to win this product, I will put all the information in the description box. But I will tell you guys one mandatory thing is you guys gotta like this video, leave me a comment, and let me know why you want to win this product. So of course, like always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because that is going to be a mandatory rule in order to win this product. And then follow the information in the description box and do whatever it says to do, and you guys will be entered to win this product. And also because I'm gonna have a few more giveaways coming up in the future, and Kylie Cosmetics will be in it because I did get some more Kylie stuff. So let's go ahead and let's talk about all the other products that I tried on. I want to tell you guys this Super Glow from Natasha Denona is phenomenal. It looks... I have never tried such a beautiful highlight. Like, I know I've tried highlights before, and I would tell you like the Pixie one, the Pixie highlight is the only one that I could say reminds me a lot of this one, that it looks very wet and beautiful, but Natasha Denona's prices are a lot higher. Hers is like, I think this is like $38 highlight, and I just think it's so worth it because it's just beautiful. You get so much highlight in here. You're gonna be having this like forever, and I just think it's a beautiful product. It looks amazing on my face, and like I said, I bought Fair because I wanted it to come and like I really wanted to show up. I could have gotten the light one, but I wanted the Fair one because I wanted it to really show up on my face, and I think it's a beautiful product, and I'm really happy with the color that I got, so I cannot wait to try this more to give you guys more information on it, but I love it so far. And finally, the Dior Undercover Foundation looks beautiful. Like, honestly guys, my skin looks phenomenal right now. Like, I love the way that this looks, and I'm actually thinking that when my Dior Skin Forever runs out, I might buy this one because this looks really pretty. I'm dying to see the wear time on it. I want to see how long it wears, but for right now guys, I'm just gonna tell you guys off the bat. So yeah, guys, I had a great first impressions this time. I'm so excited. I found some really great products that I'm going to be probably using nonstop. I want to know below from you guys, what are you guys interested in? Do you guys like any of the products that I tried on my face? And what other products do you guys want me to be trying out? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like and leave me a comment below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.